Hi, I'm Lisa Leiter. Here's your Chicago Business Today midday report. Giordanos has a new owner. An investor group led by Chicago-based private equity firm Victory Park Capital bought the troubled pizza chain for $61.6 million in an auction early this morning. This is according to the Chicago Tribune. Giordanos filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy protection last February after running into problems with real estate investments. The chain owed nearly $50 million to lender Fifth Third Bank and $2 million to two other banks, according to the Tribune. Others had expressed an interest in making a bid, including the principals of Connie's Pizza. Well, the nail biting in Chicago's restaurant kitchens ended yesterday afternoon with phone calls from Michelin. The sought-after star ratings announced for Michelin's 2012 restaurant guide, its second for the city. Alinea was the only local spot to receive the coveted 3-star status for exceptional cuisine. Last year, L2O also earned the top honor, but dropped down to 1 star after losing its founding chef. Charlie Trotters and Ria maintained their 2-star status, and 18 restaurants earned 1 star. New additions to that list include Courtrights in Willow Springs and Moto. Crofton-on-Wells lost its star, as did 16 and Nomi in the Park Hyatt. Well, Chicago is gaining a new corporate headquarters. Lawson Products is moving from Des Plaines to an office building near O'Hare. The company distributes maintenance and repair supplies. Lawson signed a lease for more than 80,000 square feet. The company said in a press release that it had considered relocating to other states. And finally, just yesterday, we told you about some recent data showing the red-hot apartment market cooling off. Occupancy and rents at high-end downtown towers are dropping, and there's concern about the market's ability to hold up long-term as a new wave of construction will be adding some 5,000 apartments to the market over the next 5 years. Well, now Crain is reporting that 2 more apartment developers have won financing for downtown high-rises, one in Streeterville and the other in River North, adding more than 700 units. A joint venture led by Optima is getting ready to break ground on a 42-story apartment tower at the northeast corner of Illinois and St. Clair. Optima would not talk about the financing or the cost of the project. And in River North, Habitat has lined up financing for a building at 360 West Hubbard. Well, that's this edition of Chicago Business Today. For more on all of these stories, be sure to stick with chicagobusiness.com. Thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.